여보세요?
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
안녕하세요. 제이슨입니다.
Hi, it's Jason speaking. Hi, it's Jason speaking.
Hi, it's Jason speaking. Hi, it's Jason speaking.
제이슨과 통화할 수 있을까요?
May I speak to Jason? May I speak to Jason?
May I speak to Jason? May I speak to Jason?
일 때문에 전화했어요.
I'm calling about work. I'm calling about work.
I'm calling about work. I'm calling about work.
메시지를 남겨도 되겠습니까?
Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message?
Can I leave a message? Can I leave a message?
제이슨에게 제게 다시 전화해달라고 부탁해 주시겠어요?
Could you please ask Jason to call me back? Could you please ask Jason to call me back?
Could you please ask Jason to call me back? Could you please ask Jason to call me back?
미안해요. 번호가 틀렸습니다.
Sorry, wrong number. Sorry, wrong number.
Sorry, wrong number. Sorry, wrong number.
내 말 잘 들려?
Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me okay?
Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me okay?
당신 말이 잘 안 들려요.
I'm having trouble hearing you. I'm having trouble hearing you.
I'm having trouble hearing you. I'm having trouble hearing you.
좀 더 크게 말씀해 주시겠어요?
Could you speak up a bit, please? Could you speak up a bit, please?
Could you speak up a bit, please? Could you speak up a bit, please?
내가 너한테 나중에 다시 전화할게.
I'll call you back later. I'll call you back later.
I'll call you back later. I'll call you back later.
잠시만 기다려 주시겠어요?
Can I put you on hold for a moment? Can I put you on hold for a moment?
Can I put you on hold for a moment? Can I put you on hold for a moment?
기다려 주셔서 감사합니다.
Thank you for holding. Thank you for holding.
Thank you for holding. Thank you for holding.
죄송하지만 제이슨은 지금 통화가 안 됩니다.
I'm sorry, but Jason is not available right now. I'm sorry, but Jason is not available right now.
I'm sorry, but Jason is not available right now. I'm sorry, but Jason is not available right now.
메시지를 남기시겠습니까?
Would you like me to take a message? Would you like me to take a message?
Would you like me to take a message? Would you like me to take a message?
제가 제이슨에게 메시지를 전달하도록 할게요.
I'll make sure Jason gets the message. I'll make sure Jason gets the message.
I'll make sure Jason gets the message. I'll make sure Jason gets the message.
전화번호 좀 알려주시겠어요?
Can I have your phone number, please? Can I have your phone number, please?
Can I have your phone number, please? Can I have your phone number, please?
성함의 철자를 말씀해 주시겠습니까?
Could you spell your name for me, please? Could you spell your name for me, please?
Could you spell your name for me, please? Could you spell your name for me, please?
제 전화번호는 010-1234-5678입니다.
My phone number is 010-1234-5678. My phone number is 010-1234-5678.
My phone number is 010-1234-5678. My phone number is 010-1234-5678.
언제 다시 전화드리면 될까요?
When is a good time to call you back? When is a good time to call you back?
When is a good time to call you back? When is a good time to call you back?
8시에 다시 전화해 주시겠어요?
Could you call me back at 8 o'clock? Could you call me back at 8 o'clock?
Could you call me back at 8 o'clock? Could you call me back at 8 o'clock?
제 일정을 확인하고 다시 연락드리겠습니다.
Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Let me check my schedule and get back to you.
Let me check my schedule and get back to you. Let me check my schedule and get back to you.
전화해 주셔서 감사합니다.
Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling.
좋은 하루 되세요.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
안녕.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
티켓과 여권을 보여주시겠습니까?
Can I see your ticket and passport, please? Can I see your ticket and passport, please?
Can I see your ticket and passport, please? Can I see your ticket and passport, please?
당신의 최종 목적지는 어디입니까?
What is your final destination? What is your final destination?
What is your final destination? What is your final destination?
휴대용 짐이 있습니까?
Do you have any carry-on luggage? Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Do you have any carry-on luggage? Do you have any carry-on luggage?
안전벨트 좀 매주시겠어요?
Could you put your seatbelt on? Could you put your seatbelt on?
Could you put your seatbelt on? Could you put your seatbelt on?
모든 전자기기를 꺼주세요.
Please turn off all electronic devices. Please turn off all electronic devices.
Please turn off all electronic devices. Please turn off all electronic devices.
음료수 좀 드시겠어요?
Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink?
담요와 베개 좀 주시겠어요?
Can I have a blanket and a pillow, please? Can I have a blanket and a pillow, please?
Can I have a blanket and a pillow, please? Can I have a blanket and a pillow, please?
창문 차양을 좀 낮춰주시겠어요?
Could you please lower your window shade? Could you please lower your window shade?
Could you please lower your window shade? Could you please lower your window shade?
베개 하나 더 주시겠어요?
Can I have another pillow, please? Can I have another pillow, please?
Can I have another pillow, please? Can I have another pillow, please?
착륙하려면 얼마나 남았죠?
How much longer until we land? How much longer until we land?
How much longer until we land? How much longer until we land?
연결편이 있습니까?
Do you have any connecting flights? Do you have any connecting flights?
Do you have any connecting flights? Do you have any connecting flights?
저와 자리를 바꿔주시겠습니까?
Could you please change seats with me? Could you please change seats with me?
Could you please change seats with me? Could you please change seats with me?
우리는 몇 시에 도착할까요?
What time will we arrive? What time will we arrive?
What time will we arrive? What time will we arrive?
커피차 한 잔 더 주시겠어요?
Can I have another cup of coffee tea? Can I have another cup of coffee tea?
Can I have another cup of coffee tea? Can I have another cup of coffee tea?
비행기에 문제가 있나요?
Is there a problem with the flight? Is there a problem with the flight?
Is there a problem with the flight? Is there a problem with the flight?
우리 목적지의 날씨는 어떤가요?
What's the weather like at our destination? What's the weather like at our destination?
What's the weather like at our destination? What's the weather like at our destination?
제 휴대용 가방을 드는 것을 도와주실 수 있나요?
Can you help me with my carry-on bag? Can you help me with my carry-on bag?
Can you help me with my carry-on bag? Can you help me with my carry-on bag?
비행기 편명이 어떻게 되죠?
What's the flight number? What's the flight number?
What's the flight number? What's the flight number?
과자 좀 더 먹어도 될까요?
Can I have some more snacks? Can I have some more snacks?
Can I have some more snacks? Can I have some more snacks?
헤드폰 좀 주시겠어요?
Can I have some headphones, please? Can I have some headphones, please?
Can I have some headphones, please? Can I have some headphones, please?
비행 시간이 얼마나 되지요?
How long is the flight? How long is the flight?
How long is the flight? How long is the flight?
비행기에서 제공되는 식사가 있나요?
Is there a meal served on the flight? Is there a meal served on the flight?
Is there a meal served on the flight? Is there a meal served on the flight?
창문 통로 좌석으로 주시겠어요?
Can I have a window aisle seat? Can I have a window aisle seat?
Can I have a window aisle seat? Can I have a window aisle seat?
물 좀 주시겠어요?
Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please?
출국장은 몇 번입니까?
What's the departure gate? What's the departure gate?
What's the departure gate? What's the departure gate?